Stop guessing your diet. Here's your muscle building plan. Table of contents, about 10 sections. If you're not growing muscle, your diet is the problem. Here's exactly what to eat daily for real results. We'll break down protein, carbs, fats, and the meal prep system that makes results inevitable. Simple structure, real food, repeatable results. GymProLife, fitness, strength, discipline. Building muscle isn't just about lifting, it's about fueling your body with the right nutrients consistently. You'll learn what to eat, how much, when, and how to meal prep without overcomplicating anything. Comment below, what's your biggest struggle diet? Consistency or meal prep? Subscribe to GymProLife for smarter workouts, nutrition tips, and real results. If you're not growing muscle, your diet is the problem. This is a truth many people avoid. They focus solely on their training, adding another set, nor adding another exercise, nor hoping for a different outcome. The body is not built in the gym, it is only broken down there. The real growth happens outside the gym, repair and rebuilding. Muscles become bigger and stronger during the hours you're not lifting. It's fueled entirely by what you put into your body. This guide removes the guesswork with direct rules and simple, busy-proof meals. We'll break down what to eat, how much, and when, starting with protein. Protein is the single most important macronutrient for building muscle. Think of it as the raw material, the bricks and mortar your body uses after lifting creates tiny muscle fiber tears. Protein supplies amino acids to repair damage and rebuild stronger. Without enough protein, recovery stalls. This is a non-negotiable biological fact. Aim for 1.6–2.2 grams per kilogram per day, about 0.7–1.0 grams per pound. At 75 kg, that's roughly 120–165 grams daily. New lifter, start lower. Heavy training, push higher. Distribute protein across the day, 20–40 grams per meal. Cornerstones, chicken, turkey, lean beef, salmon, tuna, cod, eggs, Greek yogurt, cottage cheese, whey or plant protein. Keep amino acids steady to maximize muscle protein synthesis. Protein also keeps you full and focused, sufficient, consistent, distributed. That's the protein playbook. Protein builds the muscle. Calories power the build and carbohydrates fuel performance. Lean bulk, eat about 250–500 over maintenance. For most, play 300 is a smart start. Gaining fat, too fast. Pull back 150–200 calories. Goal, lean, quality growth. Patience wins. Carbs refill muscle. Glycogen, so you can train harder, heavier, longer. Go-tos, brown or white rice, potatoes, sweet potatoes, oats, whole grain, pasta and bread. These power demanding workouts and recovery. Add fibrous carbs, broccoli, spinach, carrots, apples, bananas, berries, energy plus vitamins, minerals, fiber. Micronutrients support digestion, hormone function, immunity and recovery. Protein plus starchy carbs alone is incomplete. A well-rounded plan primes performance in and out of the gym. Do not neglect fruits and vegetables. They're a critical part of the equation. Healthy fats often get a bad reputation, yet they're essential for muscle growth. Fats support hormones, including testosterone, a key driver of gains. Too little fat can hinder progress. They also enable absorption of vitamins A, D, E, and K for immunity and bone health. Prioritize unsaturated sources, avocados, olive oil, nuts, seeds, and fatty fish like salmon. Omega-3s are anti-inflammatory, aiding recovery and joint health. A handful of nuts or a drizzle of olive oil goes a long way. Don't overlook water. Mussels are chi, 75% water. Even mild dehydration reduces strength and hinders recovery. Water transports nutrients, removes waste, and lubricates joints, regulating temperature under load. Drink consistently. Aim 3 to 4 liters daily. Adjust for activity and climate. Supplements can help. A multivitamin for endurance. Creatine monohydrate boosts strength, power and size. 5G daily. Fish oil helps if you don't eat fatty fish. Remember, supplements complement, not replace, whole foods. To stay anabolic, structure your meals. Follow 3 main meals and 2 snacks. This stabilizes energy, curbs cravings, and optimizes synthesis. Include protein each time you eat. Example day: oats with milk, 2 eggs, banana, Greek yogurt with berries, chicken with rice and veg, whey plus almonds, salmon, sweet potato, salad. Breakfast blends complex carbs, high quality protein, and healthy fats. Snack: quick protein and fast digesting carbs. Lunch: replenish energy and rebuild muscle. Post-workout: whey, hits fast, nuts, sustain. Dinner: protein, complex carbs, and omega-3s to reduce inflammation. Optional: cottage cheese or casein, slow release amino acids overnight. Casein slow drip prevents muscle breakdown as you sleep. Make this your rhythm day in, day out. Meal prep turns discipline into automation. Cook once, eat for days. Remove decision fatigue and avoid bad choices. Batch chicken breasts, salt, pepper, garlic powder, grill or bake. Cook a pot of brown rice, steam or roast broccoli. Portion: 150-200 green chicken, 1 cup rice, 1 cup broccoli, light olive oil. Brown 90-10 beef, drain, add tomato sauce, stir in spinach. Cook whole grain pasta, mix or portion separately. Protein from beef, carbs from pasta, micros from sauce and greens. Tuna plus, Greek yogurt, not mayo. Celery, red onion, salt, pepper. Portion and spoon into whole grain wraps with lettuce. Simple, portable, protein packed. Add 1-2 cup oats, 1 scoop protein, 1 TBSP chia, 1 cup milk. Shake. Optional berries, nuts, cinnamon. Prep 3-4 jars. Grab and go, 0 morning effort. Total daily intake is king, but timing adds an edge. Focus on pre and post workout windows. Eat protein and carbs 1 to 2 hours before you train. Simple: chicken with sweet potato or oats mixed with a scoop of protein. Avoid large fatty meals right before. Slow digestion hurts performance. Post-workout, within 30-90 minutes, hit fast digesting protein and carbs. Whey plus a banana or white rice with fish or chicken. Keep protein 20-40 grams every 3 to 4 hours to sustain amino acids. Consistency of timing and choices compounds into growth. That's how you maintain a positive nitrogen balance and an anabolic environment. Success begins at the store and in your stocked kitchen. If junk fills your pantry, you're fighting uphill. Stock for success. A focused list prevents impulse buys. Protein first: bulk chicken breast and thighs, lean beef, ground turkey, tuna in water, eggs, Greek yogurt, cottage cheese, peas, and a quality protein powder if budget allows. Carbs: white and brown rice, rolled oats, potatoes, sweet potatoes, whole grain pasta, bread, wraps, fruits like bananas and apples. Fats and veg: extra virgin olive oil, almonds, walnuts, avocados, broccoli, spinach, carrots, and frozen vegetables for convenience. This simple focus list fuels a full week of muscle building meals. Discipline starts in the cart. Even with the best intentions, common errors stall growth. Biggest mistake: undereating. You need a surplus to synthesize new tissue. Second, inconsistent protein distributed across all meals. Third, dirty bulking. Quality of calories matters. Whole foods first. Finally, impatience. Muscle takes months and years. Stick to the plan. Track body weight and strength, then make small, logical adjustments. Consistency, not perfection, wins long term. You now have the blueprint. This is a practical plan for real growth. Eat in a modest surplus, hit your protein target, prioritize nutrient-dense whole foods, structure meals, meal prep weekly, and avoid undereating, neglecting protein, and impatience. Train hard with progressive overload, fuel smart, and sleep deep. Focus on daily wins that compound into serious results. Your physique is built one meal, one workout, one night of sleep at a time. If If you want a complete muscle building meal plan, subscribe to GymProLife. Comment meal plan and start fueling your results. Comment meal plan for a full daily diet guide, then tell me your goal, bulk, cut, or recomposition. I appreciate you for being here. Like, subscribe, and thank you for supporting the channel. It truly means a lot.